Hi guys, welcome to Budget with Lizzy. Today we're closing out the second week of May budget. And if you guys love to watch budgeting videos and all that good stuff, stay tuned and here we go. So I created the budget for last paycheck, which was on May 11th, and we brought over a total of $234.19 carryover from the prior week, which is May 4th week. And we created a budget for the bills that's coming in for the second week. So our actual is here, the same amount. I didn't budget because I usually don't know what my carryover is, so technically I didn't budget for that amount, but I just write it there. My actual paycheck for the week was $890.30. My second income, always the same. And I had some money coming from someone that owed me $140. And then some hustle sales on eBay, so I made $285.99. So my total actual income was $1,748. I budget my usual amount for my wallet. Well, I'm sporting butterflies today. I'm a butterfly lover, so I put on my butterflies to work today, and the girls loved it at work. I'm a butterfly lover. Anyway, so the bills we paid this week was insurance that actually automatically debited for myself and my son. Expedient monitoring was actually $16.32. iCloud was actually 99 cents. And travel, I spent $35.02 for gas for my coworker that I ride with sometimes, and then I bought MetroCard for $40. So my total spending on travel was $75.02, which is over what I budgeted, but sometimes it happens that MetroCard is going to last me like a month. So card on payment, I actually did only $25 this week, and I budgeted $188 for my sinking funds and savings. But I think this was just sinking funds because automatic savings is way more than that. So the total was $485, and the total amount for the expenses was $722.32. Miscellaneous spending, which I strive to have it be zero, but it was actually good this week. I only did $1.48. Discover, I did make the $500 payment, and CD, I actually made $300 instead of $2. I know I said I was going to share my debt balances, but I'm not there yet. I'm not comfortably there yet. So I'm working on that. Forgive me. Hopefully one day I will get there where I have the courage to do it. So we'll see. So total for debt payment was $800 for that week. And then I had my breakdown for all the things I stuffed. So we're gonna add up all our stuff here. Add up all of it, but try to see if we balance for the week. So our income was $1,748 minus 65 minus 722.32 minus $1.48 and minus 800, which leaves 1168. 1168, which we all carry over to the next week. Income was $1,748. Expenses plus 722.32 plus 1.48 plus 800, which is, wait a minute, minus 1748 equal, oh, that's right, plus 1748, so this is 1588.80, and then we minus 1748, 1168. So that 1168 is going to go over to our new week, which is, my paycheck came in yesterday. Today's what? Today, I'm sorry, the 18th, and we carry over the 1168, and sorry, my paycheck was actually $898.41. My next income, added up all that good stuff. The only thing we're paying this week is Con Edison. We're paying travel as usual. Not sure what the actual is yet. Card on payment, we're striving to put 50, and we're paying Sears credit card, which is the only one I haven't paid yet, and we'll close it out at the end of the beginning of the next pay period. And that's it for my closing out. I just wanted to share something that has me very excited. I actually made a mystery challenge, and I had this box. I used to, when I was in school, I used to have my index cards in it. So I decided, it's such a pretty box and it's so old, I had it so long, but it's still in good condition. So I made a bunch of envelopes and add scratch, mystery scratch amounts underneath. So when you scratch this, it's gonna have amounts for you to save. And I made some small envelopes to put the money in. Isn't that cute? So now this is my new mystery challenge. If I follow it to the T, everything that I scratch would add up to over $1,000. And I'm too excited for this. Look at my pretty envelopes. So some of them has 2 scratches. You scratch to see how much you'll save. And it has a quote. A money quote. Like encouraging money quotes. Like, say for example, this one says, money can't buy friends, but you can get a better class of enemy. So we'll scratch and see how much you save. And once we scratch, we're going to add the money. Add the amount to envelopes. So I sat last night, I made all these envelopes. Isn't that cute? Each envelope has a quote. Yeah, quote on there. Oh, the glare is crazy. So let me lift it. Each envelope has a quote. What the? Quote. So, and a scratch or 2 or 3. And I thought that was so cute. So I made it so that when these are scratched, I could then remove them and I had my son put the amounts under there so I won't know what's under them. So I could peel this off and you reuse the envelope again. So isn't that cool? And there's some envelopes that's actually $100. I don't know why my son went that high, but some of them actually has like $100 you have to save. So scratch. Isn't that cool? I thought my idea was so cool, and I get to reuse my little box. You see, some of them has 2. There's some in here with 3, and there's also some stickers under here that says is either you choose the amount what you want to save, but I just don't know what envelope that's on. So it's kind of some twist to it, and I'm too excited to start it. I love how the envelopes turned out. So neat and perfect. I use some of my scrapbook paper stash that I have for years. So I can't wait to start scratching away. And then this will be, the box had a little pocket in the front. So this will be the final scratch. The final scratch once I've finish all the envelopes, and there's a little envelope that fits inside. That fits in the front of it, in this little pocket right here. So that will be my final scratch. So I don't know what the amounts are on there, but it has 2. I guess you don't want to go back, but it fits right there. That will be my final envelope. So I'm too excited to start this, just because it's so neat and cute. I decided I will be scratching the first envelope ahead of time so I can know what I need to save for the next stuffing. So I'm taking out the first envelope and we're gonna scratch it to see what I need to get to save for this week. So the first one is $5. That's good. That's good. And next one is $5 too. Hi. Hello. So now we have to get $10 to place in this envelope for our next stuffing. This is my first stuffing for this challenge, and I'm super excited about it. I love this scratching stuff. So next stuffing, we'll be stuffing this envelope with $10. Like I said, you can then just peel off that sticker and save the envelope for the next challenge. So we're gonna save $10 for our next stuffing. That's it for my video today. I hope you guys enjoyed, and you stick around to see how I do with my mystery challenge, and I'll see you in the next video. I hope you give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you can see how far I get with this, and I'll see you next time. Bye.